What if your next flight was silent, emission-free, and powered by the same battery as your car? Electric cars are already changing the way we drive, but now, something even bigger is taking off, literally. Around the world, engineers and innovators are racing to bring electric power to the skies. From tiny two-seaters to commercial airliners, the dream of flying without fuel is closer than ever. But can electric planes really replace jet engines? And what does that mean for the future of travel? This isn't science fiction, it's a real dream that scientists and engineers are working on right now: electric aviation. The journey to create these new planes is one of the most exciting challenges of our time. It asks us to rethink everything we know about flying and invent new technologies. We're at the dawn of a new age in aviation, one where the sky is a space we protect. The quest for electric flight is about curiosity, innovation, and building a better world. The sky is calling us to a cleaner future. Think of the first people who dared to fly. Their first attempts failed, but they kept trying. Today we have that same spirit of adventure. We're asking, can we do better? The answer is yes. We can build planes that are kinder to our planet. The future of flight is being written today, in labs and workshops around the globe. It's a story of powerful batteries, quiet motors, and peaceful airports. The journey will be long and difficult, but the destination is worth it. A sky full of silent, clean airplanes is not just possible, it's a future we can build together. Every discovery brings us closer. Let's explore this amazing new frontier. The age of electric flight begins now. Look at the cars on the street. Not long ago, almost every car burned gasoline, making noise and polluting the air. Today, electric cars move silently and charge like your phone. Electric cars started a revolution in how we travel on the ground. They proved we can move without polluting the air. Now we're taking that idea to the sky. If we can make electric cars, why not electric planes? The success on our roads has inspired a new generation of thinkers. Engineers and dreamers are looking up, ready to transform aviation. The push for electric planes is growing stronger every day. The lessons from electric cars are helping us imagine better airplanes. It's the next step toward a sustainable world. But flying is harder. A plane must fight gravity and needs enormous energy. Still, the motivation is powerful. We want to connect our world without harming it. The goal isn't to stop flying, but to fly in a way that protects our planet. The electric revolution that started on our streets is ready to take flight. We're more aware than ever of our impact on the environment. The electric car proved a major industry can change. Now aviation is ready for its own transformation. The dream of clean, quiet skies is becoming a real project. The journey from electric cars to electric planes is the next great adventure. The sky is the new frontier for clean travel. Traditional airplanes are marvels, connecting our world in hours, but at a cost. They burn jet fuel, releasing carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. CO2 traps heat, causing the greenhouse effect and warming our planet. Aviation is a significant source of these emissions, and, as more people fly, the problem grows. A single transatlantic flight can produce more CO2 per passenger than some people generate in a year. This is a serious problem for our climate. We can't keep flying this way if we want to protect the planet. The sky is big, but not limitless. There's also noise pollution. The roar of jet engines disrupts communities and wildlife. Airports have strict rules to limit noise, but it's still a major issue. A quieter world would be a more peaceful world. So we face two big challenges: chemical pollution from burning fuel and noise pollution from engines. Airplanes are complex and the industry is built around current technology, but recognizing the problem is the first step. We now understand the environmental cost of flying. This fuels the urgent search for a cleaner, quieter way to travel. The need for change is clear. The future of flight depends on finding solutions. So, what is an electric plane? At its core, it's simple. Instead of a jet engine burning fuel, it uses an electric motor powered by electricity. Think of it as a giant, flying, battery-powered machine. The motor spins propellers or fans, creating thrust and lift. There's no burning fuel, just clean, efficient power. The most common type is the battery electric plane, carrying large batteries to store energy for the whole flight. You plug it in to recharge, just like an electric car. This produces zero emissions during flight, but batteries are heavy, so scientists are exploring other options. Hybrid electric planes combine electric motors with traditional engines, using less fuel. They're a good step while we improve batteries. Hydrogen electric planes use hydrogen fuel cells, producing only water as a byproduct. Hydrogen offers the promise of long-range, zero-emission flight. Each approach, battery, hybrid, hydrogen, brings us closer to clean aviation. The goal is the same, a new era of flight that's better for the planet. Electric planes are the future of sustainable aviation. The race to build practical electric airplanes is on. Major companies and startups are all in, with government agencies like NASA leading research. Airbus is developing hybrid and hydrogen-powered designs, aiming for zero-emission commercial aircraft. Rolls-Royce built the Spirit of Innovation, an all-electric plane that set a world speed record. This proved electric motors can be powerful and efficient. Startups like Eviation Aircraft created Alice, a sleek all-electric plane for short regional trips. Alice aims to make air travel affordable, quiet, and emission-free. NASA's X-57 Maxwell project is testing new electric ideas and sharing knowledge to speed progress. These pioneers, big corporations, nimble startups, and government researchers are working together. Their goal turned the dream of electric flight into reality. The industry is taking this transition seriously. Innovation is happening at every level. The age of electric flight is being built by pioneers. The benefits of electric aviation are enormous. Electric planes produce zero emissions in the air, no more carbon dioxide during flight. This would be a huge win against climate change. The air we breathe would be healthier. Electric motors are dramatically quieter than jet engines. The roar of planes would be replaced by a soft hum. People living near airports would enjoy more peace and quiet. Airports could operate longer hours or be closer to cities without disturbing communities. Electric planes could also be cheaper to operate, with fewer moving parts and less maintenance. Electricity is generally cheaper and more stable in price than jet fuel. These savings could make air travel more affordable. Small electric planes could use short runways, opening up new routes and connecting more communities. Electric aviation could revolutionize regional travel and bring us closer together. The path to electric flight is full of challenges. The biggest hurdle is batteries. They're heavy and store less energy than jet fuel. To power a large plane, batteries would be too big and heavy for takeoff. This limits electric planes to short distances and small passenger loads for now. We need breakthroughs in battery technology to go further. Regulation and safety are also major barriers. New technology must be rigorously tested and certified. Electric propulsion systems need new rules and safety standards. Airports must build charging stations for planes requiring big investments. The entire system must adapt, not just the planes. Overcoming these hurdles will take innovation, investment, and global cooperation. The journey is tough, but the rewards are worth it. All-electric flight for large planes is still far off, so we need stepping stones. Hybrid electric planes use both jet engines and electric motors, reducing fuel use and emissions. They're a practical bridge to a fully electric future, using today's technology in smarter ways. Major companies are researching hybrid concepts for regional aircraft. This technology could be flying passengers within a decade. Hydrogen is another promising path. Fuel cells produce only water, and hydrogen is light and energy-rich. Hydrogen could power larger planes over longer distances. Storing and transporting hydrogen is challenging, but the potential is huge. Companies like Airbus are making hydrogen central to their clean aviation strategy. Hybrids and hydrogen are crucial steps towards sustainable skies. What will air travel look like in the next 20 years? You won't cross oceans in a battery-powered jumbo jet yet, but big changes are coming to regional travel. The first electric planes will be small, connecting cities a few hundred miles apart. These flights will be quiet and convenient, operating from local airports. Air taxis and regional shuttles will make travel more accessible and affordable. This new network could reduce road traffic and connect communities. Larger hybrid electric planes will soon fly popular routes, burning less fuel. Hydrogen-powered planes may follow for mid-range flights. The journey to sustainable aviation is a marathon, not a sprint. The next 2 decades will bring exciting innovation and transition. We're witnessing the birth of a new era, defined by electricity, sustainability, and respect for our planet. The roar of jet engines may soon be a memory. The future of flight is electric, promising a cleaner, quieter, more connected world.